Afternoon YouTube. We promised a couple of weeks ago that we were going to build another battery and the cells have arrived. So I'm unfortunately on site at the moment and not home to be able to work on it myself, but my mate's unpacking the batteries. We've lent him one of our balance chargers. It's just an old computer UPS power supply with a voltage regulator on it. So he'll connect all the batteries in parallel so that they're all one giant 3.6 volt battery, and then over the week we'll put as much power into them as we can so that they're all evenly top balanced. Then yeah, hopefully by the weekend, when I'm flying back in Friday night, so hopefully by the weekend the balancing is finished and we can assemble this thing. So it's a fairly big battery given the size, given the vehicle it's going in. It's going in the back of a Ford Ranger, and we should have a sort of 16 kilowatts, I think, 16 and a half, 17, so 314 amp hour cells, 2P, so 628 amp hours at 24 volts. Yeah, looking forward to getting back and putting it together. The 40 amps sounds like a lot of amps, but the reality is it's not a lot of amps. Like when you consider that the pack, let's do a little bit of maths quickly. We got 628 times 8. That is 5,000 amp hours if we, it can't be right, surely not. 5,000 amp hours if we parallel all the packs together. So 16 and they're 314, so let's do that times 16. 5,024. So our poor little 50 amp charger is really going to struggle to do that. We might need to go get a second one. But hopefully we'll have it done within the weekend and we can assemble it on the weekend.